Top 5 Best Cutting Torch Kits. Number 5. Znnam Upgraded Oxygen and Acetylene Gas Torch. Some tools whisper, others announce themselves with a spark. The Znnam Upgraded Oxygen and Acetylene Gas Torch belongs to the second group. Built from stainless steel and brass, it feels less like a gadget and more like a promise that hard jobs can actually get done. Inside the 17-piece kit sits everything needed to start working: hoses, torches, goggles, a spark igniter, even a tip cleaner. No scavenger hunt required. Power is where this torch earns respect. It slices through materials up to 6 inches thick and handles welding or brazing on half-inch metal without drama. The regulators are solid, the connectors fit most standard American tanks, and the flame adjusts cleanly into that calm, neutral blue professionals trust. Setup is refreshingly simple. Attach the right nozzle, connect the tanks, set the PSI, light it, and guide the flame. The torch does not everyday shop maintenance. This kit suits both weekend builders and seasoned tradespeople. Reliable tools create momentum, and momentum, more often than talent, is what finishes in number 4. RX-WELD Medium Duty Acetylene Torch Kit. The RX-WELD Medium Duty Acetylene Torch Kit feels like the quiet worker in a shop. No flash, no ego, just steady performance when metal needs persuading. Constructed with brass fittings, copper tips, and heavy-duty metal parts, this kit leans toward durability rather than disposable convenience. The two 5-inch regulators deliver consistent gas flow, allowing clean cuts up to 6 inches, and precise brazing on half-inch materials when paired with the right tip. Safety gets proper attention. Check valves add protection, fittings seal tightly, and the overall setup inspires confidence around open flame. A mold base keeps the pieces organized, though once assembled, shops will likely leave it ready for action instead of pay. Operation is straightforward. Attach the tip, connect the tanks, set the PSI, ignite, and guide the torch. The flame responds predictably, making it friendly for beginners, yet capable enough for experienced hands tackling fencing, decorative iron, auto work, or stubborn rusted parts. The goggles may feel lightweight and the adjustments slightly firm, but the essentials matter more, and they deliver. For anyone upgrading from small tanks or retiring an aging setup, this kit offers dependable strength without coming in number 3. Stark USA Portable Oxygen Acetylene Welder. The Stark USA Portable Oxygen Acetylene Welder is the kind of tool that respects tradition. It does not try to reinvent the torch. It simply shows up ready to work. Built from durable materials with a sturdy metal cutting torch and flexible rubber hose, this set aims for longevity rather than quick replacement. The large brass handle allows smooth adjustments, while the dual-scale gauges are clear enough to read without squinting across the shop. Inside the case sits a complete lineup: regulators, cutting attachment, welding tubes, spark lighter, heating pipe, wrench, and more. Every piece has its place, thanks to a thoughtfully designed carrying case that favors order over chaos. Performance fits the medium-duty hero category. It handles lighter steel confidently and supports jobs like auto repair, maintenance, brazing, and metal art. Not built for punishing industrial workloads, but dependable for steady hands who value control over brute force. Compatibility with older torch parts is a welcome surprise, especially for those retiring worn equipment. One important note: flashback arresters are not included and should be added for safer operation. Reliable, practical, and fairly priced, this welder proves that good tools do not need drama. Just flame, focus, and metal that eventually gives in. Coming in number 2, ESAB Victor Technologies 03842691. Some tools are built for learning, others are built for legacy. The ESAB Victor Technologies 03842691 sits comfortably in the second category. Designed for industrial fabrication, structural steel work, and serious repair jobs, this torch carries the quiet confidence of equipment meant to last. With a maximum cutting capacity of 8 inches and welding up to 3 inches, it is less of a hobby companion and more of a shop cornerstone. The CA410M-1 cutting attachment, paired with the precision welding nozzle, delivers controlled power without unnecessary theatrics. The regulators are professional grade, though attention to the acetylene fitting matters. This kit uses a CGA 300 fuel gas regulator, not the more common CGA 510. It is not a flaw, but it does require planning. An adapter, compatible cylinder, or regulator swap solves the puzzle easily, yet this is not quite an out-of-the-box experience. Packaging and delivery are solid, and expectations lean toward durability, even if long-term wear still waits to tell its story. This torch feels like the kind of tool passed down rather than replaced. Serious capability, minimal nonsense, and a reminder that preparation often separates smooth work from frustrating surprises. Coming in number 1, VEVOR Oxygen Acetylene Torch Kit. The VEVOR Oxygen Acetylene Torch Kit feels like a tool that understands one simple rule: work should flow, not fight back. Built with corrosion-resistant brass tips and flame-tough rubber hoses stretching 177 inches, this kit favors durability from the first spark. It arrives with 14 pieces, including 3 welding tips and a cutting nozzle, giving metalworkers the freedom to shift from delicate welds to confident cuts without hunting for extra parts. Precision is where it quietly shines. Dual regulators keep the gas mix steady, producing a reliable flame that behaves exactly as expected. The spiral quick-release handle makes switching tips almost effortless, saving time and patience when projects demand momentum. The sturdy toolbox keeps everything organized, while the abrasion-resistant hoses promise long-term reliability. Whether shaping automotive parts, repairing pipes, or crafting metal furniture, the kit adapts easily to both seasoned professionals and ambitious beginners. This is not a showpiece tool. It is the type that earns trust through repetition. Strike the flame, guide the torch, and watch stubborn metal slowly agree to change shape.